This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Oats Uttapam. First, grind 1 cup of rolled oats into a fine powder. Next, combine this oat flour with half a cup of semolina and 1/4 cup of rice flour in a mixing bowl. Then, add 1 cup of sour curd and half a cup of water, mixing well to create a smooth batter. Allow this batter to rest for about 20 minutes. This helps the flours hydrate properly, ensuring a perfect texture for your uttapam. Now, let's prepare our delicious toppings. Finely chop 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, and 1 green chili. Grate about 1/4 cup of carrots and finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Add salt to taste and a small pinch of baking soda to your rested batter. This makes the uttapam light and fluffy. Finally, gently fold all the chopped vegetables into the batter, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout. It's time to cook our uttapam. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with a little oil. Pour 1 ladle of the prepared batter onto the hot pan, spreading it gently into a thick, round pancake. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil around the edges. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is golden brown, then flip and cook the other side until it's also beautifully golden and cooked through. Your delicious Oats Uttapam is ready. Serve it hot with your favorite coconut chutney or a flavorful sambar for a complete meal. This recipe typically yields about 6 to 8 medium-sized uttapams, perfect for a family breakfast or a healthy snack. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy this wholesome and easy-to-make dish that's both nutritious and incredibly tasty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.